Just the plant for the job, and the expert to help you make sure it thrives. Tina is, of course, with Marlene.
Yes, indeed. I'm really excited because I see a bunch of packets of tomato seeds.
Yes, so you should be. So now is the time to start your seeds inside. Okay. Tomatoes, you can wait on your peppers. Remember, tomatoes are usually the first thing.
Okay.
Don't plant them outside, start them inside.
All right.
And it's very easy. You could use pretty much any pot. You could use cell packs. This one that you could actually score after they're growing and just plant the whole thing.
Okay.
And then there's the other plastic cell packs. You do want to use a seed starting mix though, because you don't want to use potting soil. Seed starting mix is finer.
How will I know it's a seed starting mix?
Gee, I wonder if it'll say seed starting mix on it. So it's basically peat moss with a little bit of nutrients in it, so you don't need to fertilize when you get them. So ideally you use it when it's a little moist, because I don't want to make a big mess. I just did it dry.
Okay.
And you just want to fill up your cells, pack them in, just like that. And then your seeds, your tomato seeds.
They're so tiny.
They're so tiny. Not the tiniest though, and just one in the center, or
just
because
one?
sometimes you don't get 100% success germination, you could do 2. Right, and then
that's
you're like
the ones
me.
I really buy at the gardening stores. Like, look, there's 2 in there.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
You get more for your of course.
Okay.
Okay, so then once you lay them on top, now each seed's different. Some of them you barely cover, some seeds you bury deeper. Okay. Tomato seeds you just you just want to cover a little bit, just sprinkle on top.
Yeah.
Right, just sprinkle so they're a little bit buried. Right, and then water them in. The key is keeping your seedlings moist.
Got it.
And what I do is I use bottom heat. So I use one of these heat mats. They're not that much. They're about 20 bucks.
Okay.
They're windowsill ones even. You could even put it on your windowsill because you want warmth and you want light.
Oh, I see. It's electric heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just keeps it about like anywhere from like 70 to 80 degrees.
And it even
how
do
it
I
doesn't
know
want
it's
to
a
stay.
Seedling heat mat?
Gee, I wonder, Tina. Yes. So, and you could also put a grow light, or even a fluorescent light pretty close. And
do I need to leave it on 24 hours?
No, you don't need to leave it on 24. And actually the bottom heat will get the seeds to germinate, and then the light will prevent them from being stretched out. But if your tomatoes get stretched out, remember you could bury your tomato stems.
Right.
So don't freak out.
Okay.
But so once they start popping up, you want to keep them inside until they get maybe their 3rd set of true leaves. Then you put them into larger pots.
Okay.
So you could maybe just put them from here into the ground, but remember you want to taper them, move them to the outside.
Near a window? I keep it near a window?
Well, they need to grow in a window inside or under the light. Then you move them outside to a protected area.
Yeah.
When temperatures warm up a bit, and you don't want to put them in the ground until night temperatures stay 50 degrees. So it's a little eke it out a little bit, no big drastic changes.
All right, thank you very much.
Yes.
You have a favorite brand?
Yeah, of course. I like Brad Gates, the Wild Boar. Look at that tomato. You can buy him at his website.
Brad Gates, the Wild Boar.
Yeah.
Thank you. Follow Marlene the Plant Lady, and listen to her podcast too.
Which is?
Flower Power Garden Hour.
Good job. She has a very busy day today.
All right, back over to you.
Still to come out, you can take part of